my closest friend, a closest friend who stole away my heart. And it was there where we have met, in a place, a garden at sunset. Oh, I sat there all alone, there on a stone, clad my mind with thought, hard to retold. An unpleasant evening it's for me to think of her. Looking outside from my window, I saw we walking to and fro. My joy was like an overflowing river when I think of the love she gave. Goes back to that old bench where I quench the thirst to my content. My songs are in one with my love as she gives her gentle heart to me. I remember the day you walked along with me, create a sign of life for you and me. My world found its speech within your voice and touched my heart. I lost you with the last goal of the evening, since always found you through the dark. You came to me with the first ray of the dawn. You are no longer before my song.